Happy morning to everyone, children. Today's class we are going to see continuation of chapter 6, Getting Connected Internet. Okay, so today's class we are going to see the topic how to create an email account to set the strong password, what is a virus, antivirus, and how does uploading, downloading. So all those things we are going to see about the email, right? Okay, so we can move. Email service providers are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Mail, and Outlook. Got it? Okay. The next. Now we are going to see how to create an email account. So I have taken the example Gmail. So first you have to go to the Gmail website. You have to open the Gmail website. After opening, you can see the sign in, right? Bottom to that you can see create an account link. Okay, just click that. Then you have to fill the all the fields, like they will be asking the personal details, right? Okay, here you can see the first name and last name. Okay, they'll be asking, okay, the username, you have to set the username. Then a password. Coming to the password, you have to use the combination of letters, symbols, and numbers. Okay, then only you can make the strong password. At least you have to use 8 6 to 8 characters. Okay, your password should be unique. Okay, it should not easily find out by others, right? Okay, then you have to fill all the personal information like date of birth, gender, then any questions like any pet's name, what you like. Okay, so that are the questions you have to fill. Then you have to read the privacy, Google privacy and terms. Then you have to click agree button. Then you can access your new account. Okay, so these are the steps to create an account. Okay, so they'll be asking the date of birth here, right? Okay, so then the next one. So what are the components, okay, of email ID will be there in the sense. Okay, this is the username. Okay, this is at symbol. Okay, you can see at symbol. Okay, this is a username and this is a at symbol. Read as at. Okay, then at last udaya.org is there, right? Okay, this is email service provider. Okay, here the email service providers Yahoo, okay, is given 6 star, right? Okay, so at symbol read as set, the service provider is Yahoo. Okay, so this is a component of the email ID. The next slide. In this slide we are going to see components of email message. The field is to subject, CC carbon copy, blind carbon copy, attachment, send. Okay, to whom we are sending the mail. Okay, the mail ID of the persons we have to fill in the to field. Okay, in subject field, so what is the content, what is the message, so the topic of the message will be, we can fill in the subject field. Okay, then carbon copy, to whom we are sending that person mail ID, we can save in the carbon copy. Okay, then blind carbon copy, if you are using the blind carbon copy, if you are sending to too many persons, okay, the address will not be seen in the email if you are using the blind carbon copy field. Okay, attachment, if you want to insert any document in the mail, we can use the attachment. Send, after filling all the fields you can send using the send button. Okay, then we can move to the next slide. Attachment, attaching a document. Okay, when you're attaching the document, that is a, so when you're attaching a document to your mail, it can be any picture or any word document. Okay, so any other thing that is known as attaching a document is known as uploading. Okay, the next one. Okay, there will be an inbox in the mail. Okay, so the inbox is an electronic folder, it will receive all the mails and store. Okay, inbox is a electronic folder, it receive all the mails come to your mail. Okay, and it will be stored in the inbox. Okay, children, The next slide, we can see about the virus. Okay, so you know about virus, right? It's a harmful program. When enters the computer, what will happen? It will affect the performance of the computer and it will destroy the data, right? Okay, so antivirus. So once the virus enter, so what will be doing? Using the antivirus, we can detect the virus and we can destroy the virus, right? So the example of the antivirus are Norton, Kaspersky, McAfee. Okay, so these are the example of antivirus. So what is the downloading? So when we transferring a document from internet to the computer is a downloading. Okay, when you got a mail, okay, so you are sending if your friend is sending any document, okay, so if you want to read the document, you want to download the document. That's what from internet to the computer you are downloading. Okay, so transferring the document to the computer, that is downloading. Okay, children. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of internet, right? Okay, so with this, chapter 6 is over. So today I'm sending the question answer and the one word. Okay, kindly finish in your classwork. Okay, children, we can see in the Zoom class. Thank you. Bye. Take care.